In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage subscriptions in Airtable. We'll build a simple, reliable system to track what you're paying for, when renewals are due, and which services you still use. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. From the home screen, either add a new base and choose Start from Scratch, or open an existing base you'd like to dedicate to subscription tracking. Keeping this in its own base makes it easier to focus and reduces clutter. Next, create the subscriptions table. Rename the first table to subscriptions so everything is clear at a glance. Add fields for subscription name and provider or service as single-line text, so you can record what the tool is and who bills you. Add a category single select with options like software, entertainment, utilities, and other to group similar expenses. Add a cost field using the currency type to ensure totals and sorting work properly. For timing, add a billing frequency single select with monthly or yearly, and a next payment date using the date type. Add a status single select with active, paused, or cancelled, and finish with a notes long text field for details like plan tier, discount codes, or cancellation terms. This structure keeps everything consistent and searchable. As you use the table, update next payment date after each billing cycle, and change the status to paused or cancelled as needed. These quick updates are what prevents surprises on your bank statement. Create a few helpful views to stay on top of things. An active subscriptions view shows only services you're currently paying for. An upcoming payments view focuses on dates approaching soon. A by category view helps you see where your money goes. And a high-cost subscriptions view highlights items above a threshold you care about. Around this point, a quick reminder. The Airtable website link is at the top of the description, so you can open it and follow along while you set up your tracker. Use sorting and filtering to manage your budget faster. Sort by next payment date to see what's due next, or by cost to identify big-ticket items. Filter by category or status to zero in on what matters right now. If you want simple alerts, set up automations to notify you a few days before a payment is due, and to flag any records marked paused or cancelled so you don't accidentally keep paying. Finally, review your subscriptions monthly. Archive cancelled or expired entries so your active list stays clean and your spending stays clear. That's how you can manage subscriptions in Airtable and stay on top of your expenses. Thanks for watching.